Okay. Kason wants to show how he can crawl at 5 weeks, or a little less than 5 weeks. Okay, let's show him. Yeah. Kick, 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 kick. You can do it. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There goes the frog. There he goes. Kick, kick, kick. You can do it. Kick. Oh, there he goes. Kick. You can do it. Kick. Oh, there he goes. He's getting so far. Keep going. Keep going. There he goes. Keep going. Yeah, that's the way to fight through it. That's the way to fight through it. Here, use your arm. There. Make it a little easier. Push. 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 Oh, man, you've gotten so far. Yeah, you went so far. Good job. Good job, buddy. You did so good. You did so good. Yeah. You did so good. Yeah. Needs a break. You need a Gatorade? Say bye. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.